Baby walks.
Mm-hmm.
Baby walks.
Do, 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 do.
Baby runs. Baby jumps. There's a squirrel.
She was cute today. She didn't feed it, so.
Lay down. Good girl.
Ianto and I just finished group class. There was 4 other puppies, and all of them barked except for Ianto, so I'll take that as a mark in our favor. Of course, all of them also took the escalator, which Ianto doesn't do, but like I've said multiple times, it's never going to be a requirement that he takes it. It would just be a nice bonus. But my partner was there for part of it, taking some taking some videos for a more long-term form video. I have a couple short form video clips to put up as a short of this, but hopefully if we can get the tech all figured out, we'll have some more long form videos pretty soon.